So after watching this clip, you might feel very thrilled because as we are. So in whichever field you are, don't be someone you want to fit in. So I don't fit in anywhere, but I could fit in Sam Tattoo, a studio.
Hi guys, we are here at Sam Tattoo India and frankly हमें बहुत टाइम से टैटूज करवाने थे and me and Piyush were discussing कि हम कब करें but हमारा ये because of course you all will also relate कि tattoos are something that stays with you forever.
So I had made for my dog because I like to play with my dog and we have a relation of we play a lot. So I wanted to make something in which I could see my dog running and I'm playing with my dog. So it's a memory and it's imprinted on me and I'm happy to have it.
So apparently काफी personal है सारे tattoos but दुनिया वाले देख सकते हैं तो I would just say this one is very close to me because it says just be you and I think I believe in the fact that I want to be myself and I think everyone should be like that and I'm glad I got this done today.
So I'm an artist and by profession I'm a director choreographer. So something in which I started my career with an inspiration. So I wanted to do.
is real is rare if you guys can see and I think ये दुनिया ऐसे हालातों में पहुंच गई है कि फेकनेस बहुत बढ़ गई है तो एटलीस्ट सो दैट आई
Yeah, so I've made a tiny mountain which looks tiny, but in real they are massive, huge. So I think this is very important part of me. I'm from Kashmir, so in Bombay you won't get Kashmir. So my fingers has one, so I'm happy to see it and.
So now we are not going on a trip to
Yes,
Kashmir because
yeah.
हमको जब भी जाना होगा
तो
हम
मैं-
टैटू देख
मैं tattoo देख
लेंगे
लेंगे।
थैंक्स टू सैम टैटू for this mountain
Yes.
है ना
Yes.
And the last tattoo that I've got is something for my mother. So 2 years back I got the starting part of it which is like a house and वो incomplete feel हो रहा था तो आज just to make it like a complete piece I got something where mom and me are together and there's a little tiny heart so it's for my mother and I love it.
And my last one is actually a long one. It's called unarmored. It means you don't need armor.
I love you
So
guys.
I think so. This is the one I wanted to make to remind that vulnerability is nice. So have it. That's it.
And genuinely Piyush and me were discussing the whole crew here जितने भी लोग यहाँ थे right now आप भी जो शूट कर रहे हो आपको छोड़ के जितने नहीं आप भी जितने भी लोग थे so amazing the hospitality the artists their creation it's artistic coming here and seeing everyone so passionately doing their job and सब काम कर रहे हैं and I think it was so good to be here.
Yeah, I mean it's a personal thing, and when the artists like Sam and the other
Vidhi is done my
yeah.
thing and I think rest all of them were super.
So they also feel personally attached to us because it's something which will stay for life.
So we really made a good choice and we are so happy getting ourselves tattooed here and
Yeah,
it's been amazing.
yes, amazing. So I think the concern, the importance, we love it, and I would recommend this place for everyone. I
Come
don't think
here.
so anywhere else I will go.
Come here and get yourself tattooed now.
Yes.
We'll just exit from the frame doing the thriller step